Welcome to my Silku Silk Scarf styling series. In this video, we will teach you a stylish way to tie this Ivory Black Twilly in our Twilly show series. For more silk scarf collections, visit our website at www.mysilku.com. This scarf tying method looks very elegant and graceful. Now follow along with me and let's practice tying it together. Do you like it? Tag @mysilku on Instagram to share your silk scarf styling and tying tips. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more tying tips. See you next time.